Shivansh, my cute little boy, my sweet little munchkin, this is for you, and this is how you came into my life and you completely changed our life. Mama is so happy having you, and let's see today how you came to Mama's life and how you were looking like in the hospital, how you were crying, your tiny face, your giggling mouth, and your tiny feet, your tiny hand, how we felt when you came into my arm and Mama hugged you and Mama loves you a lot. Here are few words she wants. Let's see and let's hear what Mama feels for you. You will feel happy when you get to know that Mama loves you a lot. And Mama has waited a long to see you and to hug you, to have you in her arm. Mama and Daddy both loves you a lot. We all are happy when you came to us. Shivansh, I hug you, kiss you and tell you I love you because it fills me with joy. I will hug you and kiss you and tell you I love you some more so you will be full too. I love you when I wake up in the morning. I love you all day long. I love you in my dreams at night. No work is more important than my love for you. And there are thousands of children in the world and I was lucky enough to get you, baby. Playing with you is the happiest moment of my day. If my love for you had a color, it would be the whole rainbow. My love for you is taller than the sky and wider than the galaxy. My love for you is a star twinkling in the sky. So let's get started. Shivansh, here you will get to know also when you were inside Mama's tummy, what Mama was doing and how Mama was feeling, what Mama was doing. All the stuff you will get to know. Let's see, baby.
रख लवा तेनों किते हाइड करके दुनिया दी नजरां तो साइड करके रख लवा तेनों किते हाइड करके दुनिया दी नजर
Carrying you inside me for 9 months was the biggest pleasure of my life, and here you will notice how Shivansh was kicking inside me. It was really a wonderful experience, and from all this video you also can see that how excited I was throughout my pregnancy. I was so happy, and also I have prepared a sequence from 1 month to 9 months. Let's see how it was. So let's see.
सपने मेरे बरसों से थे कितने अधूरे धीरे धीरे रंग सजा के तूने कर दिए उनको पूरे वादा है वादा चाहेंगे तुमको जीवन से ज्यादा
रहना तेरी बक 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 सुनते रहना काम काज सब भूल भुला के तेरे पीछे पीछे चलते रहना ये तो है
We have planned for a huge ceremony for my Swadakya, but due to COVID-19 we could not arrange such a huge gathering. But my husband, Shivan's daddy, he has planned a small party in our home with our neighbors. So let's see some footage of it, how we celebrated it. And also he has done a beautiful painting in my hand, I mean mehendi art in my hand. It was really awesome, and thank you so much, Sam, for making me feel special on that day and throughout the pregnancy. Thank you so much, and I love you too. Love you a lot.
महलों का राजा मिला कि रानी बेटी राज करेगी खुशी तेरे संग संग रह के मैं रंग जाऊं तेरे रंग तेरी नींद से ख्वाब मैं अपना जोड़ लूं तू साथ ना हो तो चार
सोला सिंगार करके गोदी भराई ने सोला सिंगार करके गोदी भराई ने सैया
राधे कृष्ण करे तेरा हर सुख सपना सच हो जाए ऐसी गोद भरे कि तेरे घर के भाग चमक जाए
On 8th of June 2020, I got admitted into hospital. The hospital name was Satyam Hospital, and as per the doctor's suggestion, it was a C-section delivery. And on that day, it was a Monday at night, 10:22 minutes 22 seconds, my Sivans came into this world, and I became a mother to a cute little boy, and he became a whole world for us. Let's see some footage of it, how we celebrated that day.
मारीला लुगा काढलं होता मावशी तू लुगा हाँ ठीक है
Motherhood is truly a greatest pleasure of a girl's life and a biggest blessing of God. I'm really thankful and grateful to God for being a mother. Thank you for all for watching my video. Hope you all liked the birth story of my son Shivans. Thank you.